Hi Chris, nice to see you in Barcelona at the MWC. First tell me what you cover at IDC.
Hey Francisco, it's wonderful to be here. I cover telecoms, operations and monetization, OSS, BSS. How are they making their networks better? How are they pleasing their customers the most?
Yeah, so let's jump into it. So what kind of steps are you seeing towards autonomous networks, which is a big topic, right?
It's a really big topic. It's a really tough topic. And I think the key steps we're seeing, one, really big focus on the data. How can we clean up the data? How can we connect different data points across the network to make sure we can build in better automation, better dynamism? In terms of doing that mechanism, then we start looking towards Agentic AI and elements where actually we can pass more decision making over to those agents. I think some really good progress we're seeing here at Mobile World Congress is about how do the vendors actually really show what those agents can do, what process steps they can take, and how we can progress from there.
This morning I was at an event where Ericsson was talking exactly about how the role of AI in the network and how important AI is becoming the foundations for the network. So what other themes are you seeing this year in Barcelona?
Yeah, so if we kind of, obviously you've got that big AI piece. In terms of other ones, I think it's really about thinking about customer value. How do we manage to take the capabilities of an autonomous network or things like network slicing and then actually build that into a valuable case for customers, whether that's a slice for first responders so we can guarantee that critical connectivity, or it's about thinking about in the digital space, in a factory or something where we can provide capabilities for physical AI to then go and build the efficiencies and build value for those customers.
And how that translates into our day-to-day use of devices. I cover devices, as you know. So what does it mean for end users, both consumers and professional and B2B customers?
To be honest, I think this is a story which needs to get much stronger. I think there's not so much storytelling, but really, actually, if we think about capabilities of autonomous networks and network slicing, the key end user benefit is about things like battery life. How can we make the network more efficient? The devices kind of then benefit from that because they're not having to break so much power to get a signal and maintain that signal. So actually, that would be the end user benefit there.
Excellent. Enjoy MWC. Thank you very much.
You too, Francisco.
Thank you.
Take care.